Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. This lesson is on stopping. There's one important rule you should remember when stopping. Be alert and be aware of what's behind you as well as what's ahead of you. Stopping your vehicle, whether for a brief moment or to park, always begins with checking your rear view mirror. Not everyone on the road observes a safe following distance, so make sure there is clearance behind you when you stop. To slow down, remove your right foot from the accelerator and apply pressure to the foot brake. Brake smoothly without locking your wheels and keep both hands on the steering wheel. Disengage your clutch just before the vehicle comes to a standstill to prevent stalling. You must allow for keeping a space of 4 to 5 meters clear between you and the road user or obstruction in front of you. No matter where you are stopping, always stop in accordance with road traffic signs, signals, rules, markings, and traffic flow. If you are stopping for a reasonable amount of time, such as at a traffic light, stop street, in slow-moving traffic, after completing a maneuver or awaiting instructions during the yard test, apply the parking brake and select neutral. The application of the parking brake is especially important if the gradient of the road creates a possibility of rolling. Rolling after a stop will cause immediate failure. In general, it is better to apply your parking brake and select neutral each time you come to a complete stop, unless you're in a fast-moving traffic or situation where you have the right of way. In these cases, you are using your clutch control and the foot brake. The marking of this requirement is at the discretion of the examiner. When stopping, always press the brake pedal before disengaging the clutch to prevent excessive coasting. This video is to assist you in remembering the important basics of the stopping procedure, but is in no way a substitute for your Motus K53 Manual. So, keep studying those road signs and rules, keep practicing, and stay alert, stay safe. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.